Hello students, welcome to my online classes. Today we are going to discuss the chapter of class 10th from the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, actually this chapter is an extract from the novel The Diary of a Young Girl. This novel was based on the diary entries made by Anne Frank between 12th June 1942 to 1st August 1944. You have to keep in the mind this date from 12th June 1942 to 1st August 1944. The chapter is in a diary form. Okay, the novel is written in the diary form. Diary, you understand, that is the experience where we have to share our day-to-day experience. In class 9th, you have understood the way of writing a diary. Similarly, here also Anne Frank gives the data of her experience in this particular novel. Okay, here we have to understand one part of that particular novel. Okay, the diary is written was an account of a Jewish girl who has become one of the most renowned and discussed Holocaust victims. Means Anne Frank, whatever experience she gained during the wartime, we got them in a lively form in this particular novel. Okay, so we have to consider ourselves with the limited part. Okay, in this chapter, Anne specifies in the start her reason for writing a diary. In the start, we found for what reason she was going to write a diary. She said that she is writing it because she does not have one true friend. Okay, means she was alone. She wants to share her own feelings, and that's why she did not find anyone. Okay, and so she decided to write a diary. There were a number of things that she wants to get off her chest. So for her, the diary is actually a friend. Okay, means whatever running in our mind, we have to means write them. That is the old law, means old tradition. Here also we come to know means what was there in the mind of a writer. Okay, and she gave the name to her diary Kitty. As we know, we can treat our diary, our personal diary, as a friend. So she gave the wonderful name Kitty. So throughout the chapter, you find Kitty is her true friend. Okay, in the start, she start by introducing herself. Means in the chapter, she introduced herself in the start. Here she tells about the early days of her life. We found the early days of her life. She says that she decided to write a diary because she has no friends. Okay, means she wanted to means to share her own feelings. That's why she decided to write. Okay, she was born on 12 June 1929. Okay, she was born on means she was introducing herself as she got born in 12 June 1929. She had a sister Margot. Her sister name is Margot, who was 3 years older to her. Who was 3 years older to her. She lived in Frankfurt until she was 4. Means up to the age 4, she lived at Frankfurt. Her father immigrated to Holland in 1933. Means a small account of her life is given in this particular chapter. She was sent to Montessori school and stayed there until she was 6. Okay, then she started in the first standard. When she was In 6th standard, her teacher was Mr. Corporation, the headmistress. Both had great love for each other. Means she gave the account of her teacher, Mrs. Corporation, okay, who loved her very much. Her grandma died in 1942. She confessed that she misses her very much. Means according to diary entry, we come to know about her love for her grandmother. After the death of her grandma in 1942 January, she confesses in the diary that she misses her very much. Okay. This chapter is based on her diary entry that is made on 20th June 1942. Okay, in the start I have given you the data of the novel, but if we consider this chapter, that entry is made of 20 June 1942. In this diary entry, she talks about the fears and apprehension of classmates. Means in this particular chapter, she gives the data of her classmates. Means in what way they got the promotion to the next one. Okay, means that is the day on 20th June 1942, the day when we have to promote to the other class. In short, we can say this is the day when we are their result is going to be declared. Anna, however, he is sure that she will be promoted. Actually, Anna understood about her abilities, so she was damn sure that she will be promoted. She then describes her experience with her mathematics teacher. Actually, in the diary, which is not written in the form of any logic, okay, we have different experience. Okay, she just give the data of that day when the result is going to declare, and after that she experienced her own means experience with her mathematics teacher, Mr. Casing. She writes that one day Mr. Casing had punished for her talking in the class. Okay, means Anne Frank was too talkative, and for that Mr. Casing had punished her. Okay, he asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox. As an punishment, she got to write an essay on the topic of a chatterbox. He liked the essay written by her. Actually, the writer accepted the challenge, and she wrote a letter, and that essay is appreciated by the writer. Okay, but Anne could not give up the habit of talking in the class. But after that also, she indulged herself very much in the talking. The next time, as a punishment, Mission King liked the essay written by her, asked her to write an essay on a incorrigible chatterbox. Again, she let her a punishment for write an essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Anne again wrote the essay and handed it over the Mr. Kissing. Okay, means again she accepted the challenge and write an essay, but she still could not give up her habit of talking. Means by 2 times getting the punishment, she did not give away the habit of talking in the class. So Mr. Kissing came up with an unusual title. This time Mr. Kissing decided to let her different type of title for writing an essay, because Anne Frank was enough talented to reply very well. Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. This is the topic. Okay, and asked Anne to write a letter on it. Means this time she asked a letter writing. Anne wrote this essay in the form of a poem. Okay, this time Anne did something different. This time She wrote an essay in the form of poem with the help of her friend Sene. Sene offered himself to help her, and she accepted, and she just write a poem. It was about a mother duck and father swan. Okay, means the theme or the central point of the poem is about a mother duck and father swan. The father beat the three ducklings to death because they quacked too much. Okay, this was a satire on Mr. Kissing. Satire, you understand now? Wang. Okay, means in a different way, she just satire on the homework of Mr. Kissing. Okay, surprising, he took the humor in the right way. Whatever the humor she put, she just make it in a right way. He read the poem and to NA class and other classes too. Means he was much inspired, and that the same poem will be recited in different classes, and he read the poem to NA's class and classes too. He allowed NA to talk in the class and never again gave her extra homework. He now jokes with her. Okay, means Mr. Kissing changed her way. She understood the value of talking. Means according to Anne Frank. Anne Frank shared her own experience regarding that. In what way she let her teacher to change. Means in a punishment, she just gave her the extra homework. Okay, she just gave the extra homework, and every time Anne Frank proved his worth, proved her ability. Okay, so in this particular chapter we have this much account only. Okay, so in this story, if we talk about the message, critics were of the view the message that if one's intentions are harmless, then the elders also understand and accept their outlook. Means if Anne Frank was right in her own account, so we have to compromise. As an elder should be compromised. This message, we have to limit ourselves in this particular chapter. If we talk about the novel is one of the famous account of that particular time. Okay, means when Anne Frank decided to write a diary, that time she did not thought about the same. But after that, the diary was famous in a wide screen. Okay, and her father get it published. This is the important point. Now, after understanding the summary, I suggest you to just go through the text, and I hope you understand the outlines and summary. Okay, in next class we will discuss about the question answer. Okay, this is enough for today. Thank you.